Okay, obviously, she needs to shut up and drink this. You need to mind your own business, idiot. Ah, hell no, he didn't. Do you want me to break up with you? Ah! No! No! Please! I can't! Then don't talk crap about my sister like that. I will break up with you. What the frick? Really sorry, sis. Wait, don't cry. You just yelled at me. Why? Number one, you called my sister an idiot, and you swiped my drink out of her hand, and you acted like you were gonna fight with her. I don't want to hurt your sister again. I wasn't in the mood for her. Look, babe, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. You just broke my heart, baby. It really hurts me. Look, I'm sorry. I did not mean to hurt you like that. Please don't cry.